This part number here, you'll probably see it's worth about anywhere between 40 and 70. I'm sure you'd sell it quite easy for 40. And then you have the power supply, like I had mentioned. Oop, that's upside down, the part number. So if you look at that part number over here, you'll see this also is worth about 40, 50 bucks. I didn't check the infrared board there, which allows you to open stuff with the remote and change channels. I know these are worth a little bit of money because they're a common thing to break. This and the power supply are common usually on TVs to become faulty. So I didn't check that out, but I'm sure it's worth at least 5, 10, maybe even more. And what I always do on PCs, speakers, all type of radios, all that stuff, is I keep the speakers. Usually they're always good. When I deal with this stuff, it's usually, it hasn't been sitting on the curb or anything, possibly ruined by rain or anything. So I take these from PCs and laptops and I sell them, and you can get quite a bit for them compared to what you'd get for scrap. I recently sold about 14 speakers to someone who wanted to create something, and he was more than happy to pay $2 a set. So sorry, $2 a speaker. So made about 30 bucks off speakers. So I always keep those. Also, the base, I noticed, I don't want to turn it upside down because I can hear there's screws in there, but the base also sells for quite a bit, around 30 to 50 bucks. So my friend gave it to me. He was gonna trash it. Pretty much there's not much scrap because all the boards are good. Like I said, he just punched the TV and broke the screen. So for scrap value, there's not much scrap value other than maybe a few cents, maybe 50 cents or something of steel. There's that nice board I showed you on the plasma screen, which is pretty much full of gold for people who like to extract the gold and everything from boards and all that. So there's a nice little board there. I don't do that, so I'm probably gonna put it on my in my peripheral board pile and sell it like that. So I might get a quarter or something off of that. And the parts alone, there should be at almost $200, $150 to $200 in parts. So that's pretty much great news for something that my friend was about to trash.